Hello everyone and welcome back to Financial Success, where we want you to be financially free. And in today's video we are going to be talking about the top 5 ways you can be more productive from anywhere. So these are in no consecutive order, however you can do them how you want to, but here's a list of 5 ways you can be more productive. So number 1 is to wake up early. A good time is around 5 a.m. or even better is 4 a.m. if you can. The earlier you wake up, the more time you seem to have in a day, and the benefits of waking up early that are you are awake before everyone else, your competitors, your kids, or people trying to get into contact with you. So you have a purely silent environment for the next couple of hours on either your side project, side hustle, or your business ideas. Use this time to not be busy, but to be productive as you can within those short couple of hours. You will actually be surprised of how much you can get done with laser focus in just a couple of hours. Number 2 is scheduling your time. You can do this by using calendar apps such as Google Calendar, Apple Calendar, your Outlook calendar, or any calendar on your Android phone. It doesn't matter which one you choose, as long as you schedule your time to work on your passions. Either that can be free time in the morning, after work, or even hyper productivity on your weekends, so Saturday and Sunday, since most people are just lazy on their weekends. However, you can be hyper focused on your goals and get closer even if it's 1% each and every single day. Number 3 is setting a countdown timer. This can be done either on your phone by simply typing into Google online timer and selecting the first option, or alternatively you can set a timer within your clock settings on your Android or iPhone, whatever device you're working on, or you can set a timer pretty much anywhere, whether that be your Mac, your Windows computer, your iPad, your laptop, or even your watch. You can use study methods such as the Pomodoro technique method if you want to, or you can use any other method whichever best suits you. Number 4 is turning all notifications off on your device. So this includes your iPhone or Android phone, your Windows computer, or your Mac. By this time we want you to be using all your countdown timers, your calendars, and we also want you to turn off notifications. Either turn them off completely, or you can have your notifications on for work. However, everything else besides work-related notifications will be turned off. Therefore, you won't be distracted by friends, family, if they send you a message, or if they tag you in something like on Facebook, or you won't be distracted by notifications telling you about the latest post or Facebook post by one of your friends or someone that you follow. News articles that are going around, or even a new notification on your Candy Crush game saying that you have all your plays left. Number 5 is change your environment. Sometimes even when we are productive as possible, especially if you're at home and your kids are making noise or they want your attention for something because they find something cool or interesting and they want you to be involved, or if you're an older teenager / adult and your parents are constantly asking you for help with their tech problems or their phones or computers, or they just want your attention. The same goes with loud environments such as cafes. It might be a nice place to actually sit down and do work. However, you've got people eating, you've got people having conversations, you've got all these many different distractions in a nice environment such as a cafe, for example. If these common places are distractions for you, then I would recommend that you go somewhere more quiet. Either this can be your local library or something similar to that, whereas you will have a lot of quiet alone time, and therefore people won't be distracting you because people don't know you, and you've used all the other tips such as turning off your notifications, scheduling your time, setting a timer, and you may have even woken up earlier this morning. So what I've done is I've left a few Amazon links below in the description with a few books about productivity. If you want to dive into different techniques and methods of being more productive in your life, I would much appreciate it if you check them out. If you do decide to buy them via the links in the description below, we at Financial Success will receive a small commission for you purchasing those books, and if you do decide to, it is very much appreciated. So thank you for watching Financial Success. If you haven't already, remember to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to our channel. Tap the notification bell below to know when our next videos are live so you can first see our latest videos. Other than that, we will see you guys next time. Goodbye. Remember to tap on screen, see another video from Financial Success.